Hello my dear friends, today's video the full presentation of the models with technical drawings for each model and full preview and complete line drawings. In this issue we will find multiple styles of various models as a source of inspiration and creativity. We noticed the fashion trend of fashion classics inspired by international designers. See the new styles for the coming fall. In this issue, we will find models with a marine appearance and models of marine models that have been carefully chosen in their marine colors. And we also note that they are characterized by femininity despite being sports marine clothing. In addition to elegant practical daily outfits in soft fall colors. And don't forget the romantic chiffon dress. August models are distinctive and you will like it. Please write your opinion in this video comments.